Let's learn how to unblock someone on PlayStation app. First, let's open PlayStation app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. When you come on this page, look in the bottom of the screen and you can see a bar with 5 different options from which you need to go on 4th option. When you do that, look in the top right corner of the screen and you can see a little two-face icon on which you need to click. That will send you on this page where you can see a list of all your friends, and you need to click on chats by clicking in the icon in bottom left corner of the screen. Now go on chat with person you already block, and then go on profile of that person by clicking on his name. On this page, click on profile icon in center of the screen. Now you can see a blocked icon and you need to click on it. That will open to you a side menu where you need to select a white button, unblock, and that's it. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.